Do you know that Afang soup is not just delicious but also packed with nutrients? Prepare to be surprised by this unique recipe. A lot of people struggle with finding authentic and easy recipe for traditional dishes. Afang soup is often overlooked, but we are here to change that. Let's dive into the key ingredients, their health benefits, and the step-by-step process of making Afang soup that will leave your taste bud dancing. Hello sweet fingers lovers, these are the ingredients you need to make your afang soup. Your water leaf, your sliced water leaf, then your cow skin. I'm using a cow meat for my protein, then my afang leaf, then my crayfish, my red oil, my stockfish, periwinkle, dry fish, and pepper. And these are all the ingredients you need to make your afang soup. In a pot, you go in with your beef. That's your protein. Time for us to boil our protein. Then our sliced onion, a little bit of pepper. And the reason why we're boiling our protein with pepper is so that it can have a very flavor taste. Then also your seasoning cube, a little bit of salt, and then we are going to mix together and allow this to steam properly between 3 to 5 minutes. We're just going to cover this and allow it to steam. After that, this is what we have. So we're just going to add water to allow it boil. That the water is going to make it get cooked properly. Now that our protein is fully cooked, this is what we have. Time for us to add our other ingredients. So I'm going in with my cow skin, then my stockfish, and I'm just going to mix this together and allow it to boil. That's to get soft. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to boil. Then after 15 minutes, this is what we have. So I'm just going in with my dry fish, and also I'm going in with a little bit of seasoning cube and our red oil and blended pepper. Then we're just going to mix together and allow it to steam properly on medium heat for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our protein are properly steamed up together. Time for us to go in with our water leaf. So we're just going to add our water leaf. Notice that my water leaf is a bit much than my afang leaf because your afang leaf is going to absorb everything. So after that, we're just going to mix this together. So I'm going to mix this properly together and allow all ingredients to combine together. Then after mixing, I'm just going to cover this and allow it to steam. After 7 minutes, this is what we look like. Our water leaf is properly boiled. Then I'm just going to mix this together again. Then I'm going to go in with my periwinkle, feel free to use the one with the shell. I really don't like the ones with shell, that's why I'm using the plucked one. Then after that, I'm going in with my blended crayfish and also my afang leaf. Note that my afang leaf is blended with crayfish and also my habanero pepper. Then I'm just going to mix this together. The moment you've been waiting for, the perfect blend of flavors as you're watching the ingredients come together, and this is going to create a very mouth-watering afang soup. So here you have it, the easy step-by-step method to create a very delicious afang soup that will impress your family and your friends. And remember the key ingredients and the techniques for you to have this great recipe. So all we have to do right now is just mix together and make sure all the ingredients are properly combined together, and this is going to take approximately less than 2 minutes for you to achieve. At this stage, I would advise you to test your soup in case you have to correct it. Make sure it is not too salty or less salt. Make sure the taste is exactly the way you want it. So after mixing properly, I'm just going to allow this to steam together on low heat for just 2 minutes. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out my other videos for more delicious and easy recipe, and do not forget to leave a comment about your experience. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in my other videos. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.